Hey guys, want to add an extra layer of security to your Proton Mail account? Activating 2FA, that is two-factor authentication, helps protect your emails from unauthorized access instantly. Let me show you how to enable it step by step. So, first visit proton.me and log into your Proton Mail account using your email and password as usual. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open settings, then select Go to Settings. After you select this option, you'll be in your setting. Now, in the settings sidebar, click on the security option and this is where you will find two-factor authentication. So you can also navigate to the settings and navigate to account and password, and under account and password, you will see 2FA, that is two-factor authentication. Just toggle this switch on, that is this Authenticator app toggle. You'll be prompted to enter your current password to verify your identity. You will also see a QR code on screen. Open an Authenticator app on your phone like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Simply scan the QR code to link your Proton Mail account and your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Now, simply enter this code on Proton Mail setup page to confirm the activation. Proton Mail will generate backup recovery codes. Save these codes. These are crucial if you lose access to your Authenticator app. Now, once confirmed, 2FA will be active. The next time you log in, after entering your password, you will need to enter a code from your Authenticator app for added security. In conclusion, activating 2FA significantly boosts your Proton Mail security. It's a simple step that can protect your emails from unauthorized access. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.